Did you know that by simply changing you eat, you could potentially add years to your life? Studies have shown that intermittent fasting, a pattern of eating that cycles between periods of fasting and eating, can have a profound impact on our health and longevity. It's not just about shedding pounds, it's about unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. This isn't another fad diet. It's a time-tested approach to eating that has been practiced for centuries. From ancient rituals to modern science, the power of intermittent fasting is undeniable. Let's delve into this revolutionary approach to health and discover how it can transform your life. Intermittent fasting has taken the health world by storm, and for good reason. Unlike restrictive diets that focus on to eat, intermittent fasting emphasizes to eat. This simple yet powerful shift in perspective has resonated with millions seeking a sustainable and effective way to improve their health. The beauty of intermittent fasting lies in its flexibility. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach, but rather a customizable lifestyle that can be tailored to individual needs and preferences. This adaptability has contributed to its widespread appeal, making it a realistic and achievable approach to healthy living. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can feel like an uphill battle. We are constantly bombarded with conflicting information about what to eat, how much to exercise, and which supplements to take. Traditional diets often focus on calorie restriction and deprivation, leading to cravings, yo-yo dieting, and ultimately discouragement. The truth is, our bodies are not designed for constant calorie restriction. When we deprive ourselves, our metabolism slows down, making it harder to lose weight and keep it off. Intermittent fasting offers a refreshing alternative, working our body's natural rhythms to promote sustainable weight management and overall well-being. Intermittent fasting isn't about starving yourself, it's about strategically timing your meals to optimize your body's natural processes. This approach can help you manage your weight, improve metabolic health, and even extend your lifespan. By giving your body a break from constant digestion, you allow it to focus on other vital processes like cellular repair and hormone regulation. There are several methods of intermittent fasting, each with its unique approach and benefits. Understanding these methods can help you choose the one that best suits your lifestyle and goals. Time-restricted feeding. This method involves confining your eating window to a specific number of hours each day. For example, the 16-8 method, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. This is one of the most popular methods because it's relatively easy to implement and can fit into most people's daily routines. By limiting the hours you eat, you naturally reduce your calorie intake and give your body more time to burn fat. Alternate day fasting. This involves alternating between days of complete fasting or minimal calorie intake and days of regular eating. On fasting days, you might consume only 500-600 calories, while on non-fasting days, you eat normally. This method can be more challenging but is effective for those who can handle longer periods without food. It can lead to significant weight loss and improved metabolic health. Periodic fasting. This method involves longer fasts, typically lasting 24 hours or more once or twice a week. For example, you might fast from dinner one day to dinner the next day. This approach can be tough but offers profound benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity and cellular repair. It's crucial to stay hydrated and listen to your body during these extended fasts. The key is to find a method that fits your lifestyle and preferences. Whether you prefer shorter daily fasts or longer, less frequent ones, the best approach is the one you can stick with long-term. Consistency is crucial for seeing the benefits of intermittent fasting. It's important to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. They can help you determine the best fasting method for your health needs and ensure you're getting the necessary nutrients. Remember, intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and what works for one person may not work for another. Always prioritize your well-being and make adjustments as needed. Section 5. The science behind intermittent fasting. The effectiveness of intermittent fasting is deeply rooted in science, offering a range of health benefits that are supported by extensive research. When we fast, our bodies undergo a series of metabolic shifts that promote health and longevity. These shifts include changes in hormone levels, cellular repair mechanisms, and metabolic pathways. Cellular repair. During fasting, our cells activate cellular repair processes, removing damaged molecules and improving cellular function. This process, known as autophagy, helps to clear out old and dysfunctional cells, making way for new, healthy ones. Reduced inflammation. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation, a key driver of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By lowering inflammation levels, fasting can help to protect against these serious health conditions. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting enhances insulin sensitivity, allowing our bodies to utilize glucose more efficiently and reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. This improved insulin sensitivity can also aid in weight management and overall metabolic health. These are just a few of the many ways that intermittent fasting can positively impact our health. By incorporating fasting into our routines, we can experience a range of benefits that contribute to our overall well-being. Ongoing research continues to uncover the vast potential of this powerful lifestyle intervention. Scientists are exploring how intermittent fasting can influence everything from brain health to longevity, providing us with new insights into how we can live healthier, longer lives. As we learn more about the science behind intermittent fasting, it becomes clear that this practice offers a simple yet effective way to enhance our health. Whether you're looking to improve your metabolic health, reduce inflammation, or simply feel better, intermittent fasting may be the key to unlocking your full potential. Section 6. Real people, real results. The transformative power of intermittent fasting is best illustrated through the experiences of real people. These are not just isolated cases but a growing community of individuals who have embraced this lifestyle and seen incredible changes. Countless individuals have reported remarkable improvements in their health and well-being after adopting intermittent fasting. From weight loss to increased energy levels, the benefits are diverse and impactful. Take Sarah, for example. A 45-year-old mother of two, she struggled with her weight for years. Despite trying various diets and exercise routines, nothing seemed to work. After incorporating the 16-8 method into her routine, she lost 20 pounds, regained her energy, and feels better than ever. She now enjoys playing with her kids without feeling exhausted and has a newfound confidence. Then there's John, a 55-year-old businessman who was diagnosed with pre-diabetes. The news was a wake-up call for him and he knew he had to make a change. Through intermittent fasting, he was able to reverse his condition and regain control of his health. John now enjoys jogging in the park and has a more balanced lifestyle. These stories are a testament to the life-changing potential of intermittent fasting. They show that with commitment and the right approach, anyone can achieve their health goals. It's not just about numbers on a scale, it's about reclaiming your health and living your life to the fullest. Whether it's having the energy to play with your kids, reversing a medical condition, or simply feeling better in your own skin, intermittent fasting offers a path to a healthier, happier you. The journey of intermittent fasting is also about community and support. Many find that sharing their experiences and challenges with others helps them stay motivated and committed. Support groups, both online and offline, provide a platform for people to connect, share tips, and celebrate their successes together. This sense of community can make a significant difference in one's journey. Setting realistic goals and celebrating milestones, no matter how small, can keep you motivated. Remember, every step forward is a step towards a healthier you. So, whether you're just starting out or have been on this journey for a while, know that you're not alone. Real people, just like you, are achieving real results every day. Embrace the journey, stay committed, and enjoy the transformative power of intermittent fasting. Section 7. Beyond weight loss. The ripple effects of intermittent fasting. While weight loss is often a welcome side effect, the benefits of intermittent fasting extend far beyond shedding pounds. Intermittent fasting has been linked to increased energy levels. Many people report feeling more energized and focused during periods of fasting. Improved brain function is another benefit. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting may enhance cognitive function, memory, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Enhanced mood and well-being are also commonly reported. Intermittent fasting can positively impact mood and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. By adopting intermittent fasting, you're not just choosing a healthier lifestyle, you're investing in a brighter, more fulfilling future. Section 8. Embracing a healthier lifestyle. Intermittent fasting is not a quick fix. It's a lifestyle change that requires commitment and consistency. However, the potential rewards are well worth the effort. Start gradually. If you're new to intermittent fasting, start with a shorter fasting window and gradually increase the duration as your body adjusts. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your fasting schedule accordingly. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water and calorie-free beverages during your fasting periods to stay hydrated. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your routine and making gradual, sustainable changes, you can unlock a healthier, happier you. Section 9. A health revolution in the making. Intermittent fasting is more than just a trend, it's a health revolution in the making. This simple yet powerful approach to eating has the potential to transform the way we approach health and longevity. By harnessing the body's natural ability to heal and regenerate, intermittent fasting empowers us to take control of our well-being and live longer, healthier lives. It's time to embrace the power of intermittent fasting and join the movement towards a healthier, more vibrant future.